everyone, so we are going to see that how we can create the ticket. For the same, you just need to go to the support section, then issues. Now how we are going to create the ticket, you can see the new option on the right hand side of your screen. So you just need to click on new. When you click on new, you'll get a window wherein you will have to mention the subject, the customer email ID. Make sure that the customer email ID which you are mentioning here shall be the same admin email ID which the client is using on the platform. And if the email ID is not registered here or not coming in onto drop down, then you need to click on create a new customer and save the details. Once you save the details, you need to mention your own email that would be raised by email and mention the issue type. The issue type can vary as per the concern on which platform the client is having. It can be token, husky, it can be tiger, it can be ERP, it can be bulbul, as per the products given in the drop down list. Once you mention the issue type as well, you just need to mention the whole issue that is encountered by the client, and you need to mention all the details in regards with the issue so that the concerned person can check the ticket. I'm just mentioning here some basic query related to token, and similarly you can also mention the whole details in regards with the issue which the particular client is facing. And then after mentioning the details, you just need to click on save. Once you click on refresh, you will have the ticket mentioned over there with that particular subject name. Now these are the different stages of the ticket. It can be open, replied, hold, resolved, as per what the current status of the ticket is going. If the concerned tech person has replied over it, it would be in replied stage, and if it is resolved, you need to be the one to close the ticket, and there would be certain reminders done as well for the same. Next very important thing is tags. So tags shall be the product name in which the client is having issue. Suppose I am having some issue with token, so I'll add the token tag. And if you have any attachments as well which you need to attach, you can click on that. And once you have done it all, you can share this ticket ID with the client. They will receive an email over their particular email ID that the ticket has been created and this is their ticket ID. And once the ticket is resolved, it is our duty to close the ticket. Now you can check by applying various filters if you are assigned any tickets, similar to how it just appeared for my email ID. You can just click on created by as well. You'll get the tickets which are assigned to you, the ones which are raised by you, and then you can check the respective status of the ticket, whether they are open still or replied or on hold. Or you can also check if the ticket requires some client input, then you can click make the status of the ticket as awaited client's response. Next thing is finding the ticket. Once you have created the ticket, now you need to find the ticket. For the same, you can apply the filter of ID and add the respective ticket there, and you'll get the respective ticket how I am getting here. Let's take one example of reply ticket. I'll just check one of the tickets which are in replied stage, and I'll show you how can you search for a particular ticket with this ID. So I'll just copy paste this ID for example, and you need to have record of the ticket IDs, or rest you can just apply the filters whether it is assigned to you, raised by you, and you'll get all the ticket history, how many tickets you have created, in which stages are they. So you can see here the reply ticket which I have got, and similarly you can apply various filters. Now it is showing this respective ticket ID in replied stage, so you'll go to reply, apply the filter, and you can open this ticket then. Now we have this two things in ERP, that either the ticket can be raised by the respective customers, or the tickets can be raised by the internal members of the organization, which you can identify by the email ID. That's all. Thank you.